If you want to keep only certain rows from a particular table, you can use the filter transformation. To make a filter transformation, click once on the intended destination and then click again on the new button that appears. Select Transform and then select the Filter Rows transformation. Click on the table that you want to filter or select its name from the list. Then you'll be asked for the expression for all the rows you want to keep. So let's imagine you want to keep all the rows where the red value is equal to 0. So you enter that as your desired expression, say OK, and now you'll only see the colours where the red value is equal to 0 from the original table. All the others will be left out. If you later want to edit the expression you're using to filter, you can click on the expression in the header of the table and change it. So let's say instead we wanted to keep all the rows where the red was less than 50. Then we can change it here, say OK, and the table will update. This time we'll have more rows in the table with low red values.